This weekend's triple-header at the Northamptonshire circuit decided the 6 title fighters who will battle it out for the season's crown across the remaining 3 rounds. But despite negotiating his way from 21st on the grid to victory in a crash-strewn race, it still wasn't enough for Linfoot. He said, "I've been on the deck 3 times and been knocked off at the first corner in 2 rounds in a row. There were not too many finishers and a lot of crashes, and I didn't make it easy starting from 21st of the grid." Michael Laverty, who also missed the Showdown cut, finished second.But. Jake Dixon, third among the 7 riders still running when the race was stopped due to the conditions, did enough to be confirmed as a title fighter. Riding the RAF regular and reserves Kawasaki, Dixon, in his first full season, kept going as the rain worsened and his rivals fell by the wayside.